Top 5 Entry-Level IT Cert Collection. In the everyday growing IT world, an entry-level IT certification can help your career to get a boost. Here we have the list of 5 top-level IT certifications, which will take your career graph higher. First, in our list, we have Cisco Certified Technician, CCT. CCT certification confirms that you are able to diagnose, restore, repair, and replace critical Cisco networking and system devices at customer sites. There are 2 CCT paths to choose from: Data Center or Routing and Switching. The CCT Data Center certification covers support and maintenance of Cisco Unified Computing systems and servers. The CCT Routing and Switching certification covers on-site support and maintenance of Cisco routers, switches, and operating environments. You will have to pay $125 per exam for this certification. Cisco Certified Network Associate, aka CCNA, is our second on the list. In the past, Cisco had several individual certifications under CCNA. Now it's combined into one CCNA certification. And this certification covers your skills and knowledge with network fundamentals, network access, IP connectivity, IP services, security fundamentals, and automation and programmability. It's an entry-level certification that will speed up your game in the IT world. For the $299 exam fee, this certification is quite a catch. Third, on our list, we have CompTIA Network Plus. This entry-level certification covers networking concepts, troubleshooting, operations, tools, and security, as well as IT infrastructure. CompTIA Network Plus verifies your knowledge with configuring, managing, and maintaining network devices, implementing and designing functional networks, network troubleshooting, and network security. If you want to work closely in networking, then it is a worthwhile certification for a $329 exam fee. Fourth on our list, we have CompTIA Security Plus. For the increasing demand, getting this as an entry-level certification is a very good idea. It's appropriate for network, system, and security administrators, security specialists, junior IT auditors, security consultants, and security engineers. CompTIA Security Plus covers threats, attacks and vulnerabilities, risk management, architecture and design, technology and tools, cryptography and PKI, and identity and access management. For a $349 exam fee, this exam will be worth it for sure. Last but not least, we have Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, on our list. CAPM is a widely recognized entry-level certification for project management offered through the PMI. This certification enables you to oversee technical projects. You'll need a secondary degree and at least 23 hours of project management education completed before you can take the exam. The exam fee for a member is $225, and for a non-member, it's $300. Now, you can decide which certification you want to choose and kickstart your amazing career. You can get study materials for all these certifications from 591 Lab. Check out the links in the description box.